Do you like papaya? It's almost impossible to find someone who doesn't like this fruit. Papaya is one of the healthiest fruits that exists, rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. It is sweet and very soft. But have you ever asked yourself if we take advantage of all of its benefits? Most people throw away the seeds, without knowing that, besides being edible, papaya seeds also offer some amazing benefits to our bodies. The seeds help with constipation, intestinal functioning, fight invaders, and even help with skin and hair quality. Isn't it interesting? Papaya seeds are also great because they have antiviral and antibacterial action. The seeds are a great help for treating any kind of infection. They also fight bacteria such as Escherichia coli, E. coli, Staphylococcus, and Salmonella. Fight parasites. Rich in papain and carpain, papaya seeds can strengthen the gastrointestinal tract and eliminate intestinal worms and parasites, many times helping even prevent intestinal cancer. Regulate the intestine. Because of the high levels of fiber, papaya seeds help regulate the digestive system, avoiding gas formation. And they also give a sensation of satiety, help detox the liver. These seeds have some properties that help the body get rid of the toxins in the liver and kidneys, lessening the hard work of these organs. Improve blood circulation. The fibrin found in papaya seeds helps stimulate blood circulation, helping with blood clot formation and improving cell quality throughout the body. Improve the skin and hair. Not only the seeds, but papaya as a whole act in the strengthening, growth, and shine of your hair. Thanks to the vitamins A and C, they also help with collagen production, which makes the skin soft and bright. Learn now how to reap all these benefits. You can make a papaya juice mixed with some crushed papaya seeds and drink this for 1 month. Besides that, every time you eat papaya, you can ingest 1 tablespoon of the seeds. If you are going to chew the seeds, know that they are bitter and slightly spicy. But if you think you have a problem with ingesting the seeds, a trick is to swallow them whole without chewing them, or crush them and sprinkle it over the papaya or any other fruits as a seasoning, or even mixing it in other juices and smoothies. All of that may sound a little weird, but after learning all the benefits that papaya seeds can bring to our body, you certainly won't throw them away again. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.